Today evening, again, we have a review meeting under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister. The review meeting was specifically meant for the COVID-19 and also the related notification issued by the government from time to time, including the SOPs. Few decisions again were taken this evening for opening up of different activities throughout the state. Number one, as you all know, close contact physical sports activities was not allowed till today. So in the review meeting today evening, we decided that all sports activities will start reopening up from next week, meaning from Monday onwards.